Okay guys, thank you very much for coming and welcome to the first AUI-S Voice. Let's call it birthday party.
Happy birthday to the voice. Happy birthday to the voice. Happy birthday to the voice.
Tell me about being editor-in-chief of The Voice.
It is interesting. Like you experience how to be a leader. Actually, I never thought that I would experience such a thing, but now I feel like how the leaders feel during the crisis, or how the situation goes. Like when someone, let's say, attacks the newspaper, how do you deal with it? Or when you have big news, or when there's breaking news, how do you deal with that? Or when you receive a reward, that would be the most, we call the win.
No, not the pizza, The Voice.
Oh, both are awesome.
Congratulations for a year of great success, entrepreneurship, innovation, and groundbreaking journalism at the university level.
Well, I just like journalism and that's it. Yeah, and I want to learn something else besides my education and studying. Yeah.
What do you like about journalism?
You know, being accountable and report things as they are.
It was, a little bit challenging for me because it's just starting. It's almost I started them, but I really benefited them, and it makes me to always be thinking to be a journalist. So it helped me to be a good journalist, hopefully.
Being a web editor is absolutely something new for Iraq, and I feel like I'm the first one to be the web editor in the whole Iraq. That's something. It's a history.
We want to give a clap to Jackie. 1, 2, 3.
I am so happy to be celebrating the first anniversary of The Voice. It's amazing to me that a year ago this newspaper didn't exist, and none of these people sitting around these tables had a reason to come together. We have everybody here. We have students from Baghdad, we have students from Suleymania, we have students from Erbil, and they are IT majors and international studies majors and Whipley students, and they're here because they love journalism.